Shwmai guys, this video is just to explain what #FitFebruary is all about. This month I want to help as many people as possible smile, feel better, have more energy and just enjoy February. I want to motivate you and inspire you to move more, get outside, eat healthier, spend quality time with your family and even take some time out for yourself and relax. If you take part in the whole challenge or just choose the bits you like, I guarantee you will feel fitter, healthier and happier at the end of the month. Twinkle Cymru have been ever so kind to support me and help create resources for this challenge. Make sure you check out the interactive charts that have lots of links to health and wellbeing resources. Click on the link with this post. One last thing guys, enjoy the challenge. I just want it to be fun. I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow. Oggy, oggy, oggy!